Hey guys, it's the Fly Natural here, and I am back with another video. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. If you're new and not yet subscribed, you should make sure you do yourself a favor and join the family by hitting that subscribe button, because I guarantee if you have good taste, and it's only if you have good taste, you're guaranteed to like it here. Hey y'all, welcome to this video. If you can tell by the title of this video, we are doing a Loc Tour today. Our last official Loc Tour of 2025, y'all. This year has flown by. I hope it has been a great one for you, because I know it has been a great one for me. If you clicked on this video, chances are you either like to look at locks or you're contemplating getting locks. So hey, I'm here to help you out. My name is the Fly Natural. I have been officially locked for 5.5, almost 6 years. It'll be 6 years in April. And I have DIY Microlocs that I started myself with 2-strand twists, and that I've maintained over the years with a 4-point interlocking rotation. If you guys notice, when we go through the Loc Tour, I am going to have like smaller locks around the perimeter of my head. I can see, around the perimeter of my head, and that's due to postpartum shedding. I lost a lot of my locks around my perimeter due to postpartum shedding after the birth of my third daughter. Now, if you guys are interested in the overall progression of my locks, I will link my Loc Update playlist down below, so that way you can check out how my locks have thrived and grown over the years. So enough talking, let's get into this Loc Tour. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed that Loc Tour. Let me know down below, what do you think about my locks? What y'all think about my locks? And if you made it to this point of the video, you obviously have good taste, so you should just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and stay a while. Don't forget to like the video on the way out, and I'll catch y'all in my next one. Peace.